How are you, Globemanons, Missols? Life is so beautiful when transcendental glory is felt through one's own heart. The feeling of the heart is most important for me brand souls. Sometimes I feel following the rules and regulations of environment may not give much transcendental glory. Mind gets continuously occupied with the environmental rules and regulations, conditioning one's own self, conditioned by culture, conditioned by traditional ways of one living styles, conditioned by food, conditioned by many rules and regulations of various constitution, conditioned by religions, conditioned by various belief system. How can one feel independent or having the space of beauty of the cosmic consciousness? So, environment is mundane affair. Spirituality is the supra-mundane, cosmic objects, sun, moon, and various other planetary positions to be in the awareness of the cosmic realities. Then, all those who really love to be unconditional have to be in tune with certain powerful systems. Nijess Yoga system of evolution guarantees the process of evolution. Almost all those who live in the environment, they are habituated to it. Habits are not culture. It's casual words. If habits were culture, then so many wrong habits also could have become culture of many. Spiritual culture is not just habits. It is a consciousness, cosmic reality, transcendental glory. Then there is more beauty to be in the awareness of one's own divinity. Then environmental rules and regulations will never affect anybody. Mudras help to transcend the environments too. So various things are good for making life more blissful and happy. It's few words for Globemanons and me souls to think about what is environment. Rules and regulations conditioned by way of life. If that is not suitable for evolution, then beware and aware about it and create one's own environment. There is no explanation required for one's own rules and regulations, food habits, culture, and anything that matters for realizable God consciousness of divinity within. The kingdom of missiles, kingdom of heaven is within one's own inbuilt spirituality. Then there is meaning for life with beautiful environment of cosmic realities, then transcendental glory. Their consciousness is most important. There are so many belief systems through environments that may not give evolution. Those who are live for environments, they are wasting time, their lifespan. But I say, Thinking about one's own beautiful life through cosmic consciousness reflected through one's own spirituality, then all the rules and regulations of environment do not affect. Instead, king souls and queen souls can create their own ways of rules and regulations to realize one's own divine potentiality. That's freedom too from entanglements of complicated conditioning. Then unconditionality of God consciousness, cosmic reality, slowly descend to feel the happiness and blissfulness of freedom of human beings in tune with divinity, dignity, decency, highest clarity of a vision. That is what these few words for me souls to think about a yogic life. Yogis and yoginis, would-be yogis and yoginis in the leading styles, Globomanon's way of showing the mighty path, business, spirituality and prosperity together. Highest three syllables, God consciousness, space, me space, universe leading space for me branch souls. Original, I am in planet, Nijess path, beyond environmental complications, creating destiny for me branch souls. Straight, love to you all. Captains, me units.